Want generational income from a single machine? One ATM can make money 24/7.
All right.
Here's exactly how. What an ATM owner actually earns. Every time someone uses your ATM, three things happen. The customer pays a surcharge, the card issuer and processor settle an interchange or network fee, and the ATM owner keeps the surcharge split after costs. That surcharge is your income. It's the main profit source. How the money flows. Example, customer pays a fee at the machine, that's the surcharge. Part of that fee covers network processing costs and cash handling. The rest goes to you. You can also earn a small share of interchange if you arrange the processing that way. Over time, many small fees add up. Main costs, margins. But it's not pure profit. Expect regular costs. Machine purchase, installation, internet connectivity, cash replenishments via cash in transit, insurance, repairs, and processor fees. Your real profit surcharge revenue, that cash logistics, plus maintenance, plus processing, plus taxes. Want a video that shows real numbers and how much you could make with one machine in Jamaica? Drop ATM in the comments and I'll show you costs, partners, and exact profit examples.